Okay, good evening, everyone. I trust we're doing fine today. Welcome to today's session. What I want to show you today quickly is how to create automated welcome messages for your new sign-ups on your email list, right? I believe you signed up on someone's email list in the past and immediately you received a welcome message. Okay, so that's what I'll be showing you, how to create automated welcome messages for your email list. Once people sign up on your email list, you want to welcome them and you want it automated. You can use it when people register for your course. You can use it when people buy something from you, your online product, and so on and so forth. So the first thing to do is to log into your Mailchimp account. Okay, so this is the dashboard of my Mailchimp account. So I'm just going to go quickly into creating my welcome message right now. So the first thing to do is to click on this here and go to automations. Click on automation, then click on email. Okay, I don't know, my system is slowing down, but let's hold on and wait for it to load. Yes, you click on email. Once it pops up, you click on welcome new subscribers. Okay, there are several options here: email subscribers when they are tagged, welcome new subscribers, say happy birthday. You can even include this, right? So but for now, what we are doing is creating welcome messages for new subscribers. So I'm going to click on welcome new subscribers. Yes, so you need to give your campaign a name, right? This name is for you. It doesn't matter, it doesn't show on the welcome message, right? It's just for you to be able to find it whenever you open your email, your Mailchimp account for easy access. So I'm going to name mine as first welcome message. First welcome message, right? And in this other place, this is where you select your audience. Okay, for me, I only have one set of audience. With Mailchimp, you can segment your audience. You can create audience for maybe one aspect of your business, an audience for another aspect of your business, and so on and so forth. But for me, I only have one audience, okay? And I named them and the mandate. So I'm going to click on begin and watch what happens. It loads up and it will bring up a template that you can edit. So you go ahead and edit it, customize it to suit what you want. Yes, so it says send. The first thing here, it says send to new subscribe contacts immediately after they join and demand it. That's what I want, so that one is good. Now edit from, it's telling me to edit from. That's who is sending it. Now in this case, you want to use a name that your subscribers are familiar with. Okay, use something that subscribers can easily recognize. In my own case, I'd rather use Andy Mandate, okay? Because a lot of people who subscribe to my email list will know me as Andy Mandate. And the email I'm sending it from definitely is from this email I used in creating my Mailchimp account. So after that, I'm going to click on save, right? Then the next thing is subject, okay? You want to create the subject of your email. In this case, the subject says, thanks for joining us. I'm going to leave the default subject. You can as well change your subject to suit whatever you want. You can say I'm glad you are here, so on and so forth, but I think I prefer the thanks for joining us thing. Now there's also preview text. This is the text that also appears below the thank you, below the subject before your audience opens the mail. I'll also leave it as we think you like it here. You can change it to anything you want, right? Just feel free to manipulate it. Haven't done that, click on save. Yes, now it's time to build the email itself. So I'll click on edit design, and all we are doing is on the free package of Mailchimp. Edit design, wait for it to load. Okay, once it loads up, you want to make sure you keep your welcome message very short, because you don't want to bore your new subscribers with a long read. So the first thing to do is you need to upload your logo. Okay, in this case, I've already uploaded my logo. That's why it's already it appears in every of my mail yours may not be like that. So if you have a logo at this spot, you go there and upload your logo. Okay, you can adjust the position of any of the content. Okay, so even if I don't want the logo there, I can drag and bring it down whichever position I want it. Okay, but I'll leave it to appear at the top. So I'm going to start with this. Okay, the first line is a line of code that says hi, if name, blah blah blah. It's a line of code. I would advise you adjust it. It's a code that automatically picks the name of the subscriber and puts it. Let's say if I'm the one that subscribes, so, and I put in my first name in your sign up form as Andrew, right? So this mail is going to say hi Andrew. I believe you get the gist now. So I'm going to edit it. Once you click on it, it highlights. Then you click on the pencil sign there for editing. Like you see, you can also equally delete any of the section of the mail you don't want. So once you click on the pencil sign, if you click on the plus sign, it duplicates it for you, but I don't want it duplicated. Oh, I made a mistake. It's already been duplicated. So I'm going to delete this one because I don't want it duplicated, right? So this is what I'm using. Now it comes up, you can edit. Like I said, I wouldn't advise you edit the first line. This hi, if name, blah 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 blah. It's a line of code, like I said. So you can come here and adjust the text, customize it to your brand. They already have their default text that says, "We are glad you're here. We'll keep you in the loop with our latest news and special offer." One of the things I did, if I want to use it as a funnel, okay, by funnel I mean I want to use this welcome message to draw them into my Telegram group or my WhatsApp group. I just go into this place and put up my WhatsApp link, the link or the link of the WhatsApp group or the Telegram group, so that once you get the welcome message, the mail tells you to click on the link. You can use it to do anything you want to do. Just think and be creative. And they click the link and it redirects them to my WhatsApp group. So for now, I'm going to leave this here the way it is. They use the default text, but you can adjust it to what you want. Now the next thing is this other section where you can impute your social media handles. For the first one is Twitter. If you have a Twitter account, you can put it there. If you don't, you can change each of the tab. Say Instagram, you can change it to Instagram and put in your Instagram handle, so that directly from your mail your subscribers can connect to your social media account. You can do that same thing for Facebook. You can also add up your website if you have. If you don't have any of this information, you can just click the X and delete it. Okay, you can add up another service, another account, as many as you want. So that's what we do with that other that part of that section of your mail. The next thing is where you put the copyright information. You click on the pencil tool, right? It says copyright. It already even tells you what to do. It says current year. So what year are we in? We're in 2020, so we go ahead and put 2020 there. And I said list company, the company name, right? In my case, it's Andy Mandate, so I'm going to put in Andy Mandate there. And so let me just walk you around it so that you see for yourself. So here I'm going to put copyright. I'm going to write 2020, then a comma, then I'm going to put the name of the company. Take this out. I'm going to write Andy Mandate. You put the name of your company there. All rights reserved. Right here it says description. If there's any, you can add up any description you want, right? For mine, I usually add, you are receiving this mail because you opted for my online free course, and so on and so forth. Whatever you want to put in there. You can also leave it blank if you don't have anything to put in there, but be creative. Look at other people's mail and draw out clues from there to develop yours. Our mailing address, this is where you put in your mailing address. If you have one, you can put in a postal address or you can put in your home address. Okay, it's useful because Mailchimp uses this to deliver. If you don't do this, most emails will record your mail as spam, okay, and it will put it in the spam. and you want it delivered to the inbox, the primary inbox of your subscriber. So go ahead and put in a valid address there. And this last part, I would advise you don't change this. Want to change how you receive these mails. Mailchimp always uses the unsubscribe link. For every mail you send, they advise you to leave the unsubscribe link. It's part of their policy, because if you remove the unsubscribe link, it will treat your mail as spam. Okay, and you don't want that, so that your subscribers, if they don't want, peradventure they get tired, you want to give somebody the opportunity to be able to unsubscribe to your mailing list, right? So for this, if you don't have anything to put here, you can also delete it, right? But like I said, you can take clues from other people's mail. So you can say, maybe write my full name, Andrew, mailing address. You can write my full name, Andrew Ogbe, and I can put maybe Abuja, Nigeria, if you don't have an actual mailing address. If you have an office, you can as well put your office address here, right? And if you don't, just go ahead and do this and put in your phone number, 30 51 68. Yes, you can do that. And once that is done, you go down and click on save and close, right? Once you do that, that is saved, right? So your mail is ready. You can add up as many things as you want. So now once this is ready, what you want to click is you want it to now send to your subscribers. So but before that, maybe you want to preview and see what it looks like. You can click on that arrow there and click on preview. You can enter the preview mode or send a test mail. You can send a test mail to yourself. So but first of all, let's look at the preview mode and see how it will look like before I send the first one. You can test run it by sending it to yourself first, okay, and see what it looks like. So it says this how the mail is going to appear. Hi, then that place is going to put the person's first name. Hi Bola, we're glad you are here. We'll keep you in the loop with our latest news and special offers. So that's how it actually works. So once you're done, now I'm done with this, you can go back and save and return. Right. So that's how we create a welcome message. But you want to ask, how do I get it to start running? Okay, so let's wait for this to load up and I'll show you how you get it running once that is created. Yes, so having saved it, button here that says start sending. Once you click on start sending, it automatically starts sending to the new subscribers. Once they register on your sign up form, it automatically sends the welcome message to them. So that's how to send an automated welcome message to your new subscribers. I'll see you in the next video.